stand. Your stand. You're right. I was frightened your stand was still down. I was frightened because your stand was still down. I didn't think it would let you put it in gear. Hello internet, howdy crowdy. It's Chris 16-bit, following my dad and a bunch of Norwich bikers basically. We're heading to the Yarmouth Takeover. So heading to lovely, wonderful Yarmouth to meet up with hopefully lots of bikes there. Sun comes out, so it's the forecast is good, but it just looks really cloudy at the moment, really overcast. Hello to you. But no, there should be a lot of bikes out there today. It's a nice group though, just the right size, so I'm in quite a small group at the moment. That's the way I like to ride really, just a handful of other bikers. Awesome. And a big shout out to Jake from the Norwich Biking Facebook group for organising this little kind of meet and ride out today. Awesome. A massive shout out to the guys who've organised the Yarmouth meet. So we're heading towards. That's going to be a really good day hopefully. And they've really put a lot of work into organising it. So big thumbs up to them really. It takes a lot of effort to organise a big event like that. I'm going to film a bit of the ride and a bit of the event when we're there. Don't know how long the battery will last though on my helmet cam. That's the only thing. But I've got my mobile. I'll definitely try and film lots today because it should be awesome. It should be really cool. Close all the roads in Norfolk to anything but bikes. It would make staying in a group much easier. Bloody cars. Near the next stop anyway, we're going to stop at a McDonald's, in a third of a mile. That's us. Giant, extraordinary, just like a strawberry. My dad, so I'm hoping that he's somewhere behind. Don't wanna lose my dad en route. I got a wave, that was very nice. Nice to have a wave. 9 miles to Great Yarmouth. Awesome. It's flying like a bird. Right. He's at the back. Yeah, no, he's alright. He's kept up. On our way to the seafront. We are heading to Yarmouth seafront. Super exciting, seeing more and more bikes about. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bit of off-road. So I've no idea how much battery I've got left, but we are now leaving the Yarmouth Takeover. Sadly, I need to get back, walk the dog. But I don't know if the camera's picking up just the insane amount of bikes that are here today. Beautiful weather. And thousands of bikes. I mean, this is just a small part of it here. The road a bit further along's closed and they've got them parked down there, but yeah, Yarmouth is covered in bikes. It's awesome. I had such a nice day. Shame we have to disappear, but as I say, I've got to get back for my dog and get my son from the childminder this afternoon. Bikers are just such a lovely bunch. Everyone is so friendly. Met some really cool people. Had some nice little chats today, looking at bikes.